Welcome to our Theta Kappa Scholarship Workshop. The videos in this workshop will explore scholarship opportunities as well as tips and techniques for effective and winning scholarship entries. Together, these videos can be used in line of the hosted PTK Scholarship Workshop to meet the requirement of the PTK's President Challenge Enhanced Membership Program. In addition to watching these videos, you must also complete and pass the Learning Assessment quiz included in your President's Challenge checklist. Use the attached Key Learning Lessons worksheet for notes and as a study guide to complete your quiz. If you need captions, click the CC button below. Before you leave the video, be sure to review the video description below for helpful links. In this video, we will explore scholarship opportunities offered by the Madison College Foundation, as well as resources to explore additional external scholarships to support your academic journey. The Madison College Foundation has a vision to support the college in its commitment to increase access so that no student will be denied an education due to financial barriers. Scholarships are available to new and continued Madison College students through the foundation. The foundation has disbursed more than $20 million in financial assistance to over 45,000 Madison College students. The Madison College Foundation opens 2 scholarships application windows each year. The fall window typically opens in March and closes in April. The spring window typically opens in October and closes in November. Award notices are typically communicated after 2 or 3 months. To apply for all Madison College Foundation scholarships, you must complete the application. We have a link in the video description below. Scholarships are available only for attendance at Madison College. You must be accepted into a program not uncleared. For continuing scholarship applications, you must have a 2.0 GPA or higher, and you must be enrolled in 6 or more credits for the upcoming fall or spring semester. New students are also eligible to apply, but these applications also require an uploaded letter of recommendation and an uploaded college or high school transcript. Some Madison College Foundation scholarships consider financial need as a selection criterion. To be eligible for those, you must complete a FAFSA application. If you choose not to or are not eligible to complete a FAFSA, you will still be eligible for other non-need-based scholarships. Basically, completing a FAFSA opens more opportunities for potential Madison College Foundation scholarships. Madison College Foundation scholarships are not automatic. Because of limited funds, there is some competition involved. So you want to plan for and be sure to submit a quality application essay. Following the links on their website, again, there's a link in the description below. You'll use your Madison College student email to sign on to their application platform. As you complete the information in the form, you'll be auto-matched to scholarship opportunities by your answers and the information from your student account. Be sure to answer all the questions to maximize your application for all available scholarships. As you progress, additional scholarships managed by the foundation may be presented. Review each one to determine if you qualify and click to answer additional questions. Yes, the Madison College Foundation scholarship application does require essay responses. Take your time to answer each carefully to increase your chances of an award. While the questions might change slightly, be prepared to give this session some time. It's okay to start the application, copy the essay questions, answer them offline, and load your responses later to complete your application. Judges do read your responses, and award decisions are made based on what you write. Take your time, be honest, share your story. Demonstrate college-level writing and editing skills. Writing in an active voice, not if I get awarded, but when I get awarded. Finally, no pity parties. If you have encountered adversity, what did you learn, how did you overcome it, and grow from it? Don't pass up an opportunity to earn scholarships. Plan now to apply for Madison College Foundation scholarships. Besides scholarship programs administered by PTK and the Madison College Foundation, there are tons of other scholarship opportunities out there. We'll highlight a couple specific options and give some general tips and pointers when searching for other external scholarship opportunities. The first we'll discuss are the scholarships offered by the Jack and Cook Foundation. These scholarships are intensely competitive primarily because the award is so great. Up to $55,000 per year for 2-3 years to complete a bachelor's degree. These scholarships are open annually, so plan early. Check their website, link in the video description below for details. There are 2 different Jack and Cook Foundation scholarships that may be of interest to Madison College students. The Cook College Scholarship Program is an undergraduate scholarship program available to high-achieving high school seniors with financial need who seek to attend and graduate from the nation's best 4-year colleges and universities. This scholarship might be particularly attractive to dual-enrolled students. The application requires a minimum cumulative 3.5 GPA and demonstration of financial need. The Cook Undergraduate Transfer Scholarship is a highly selective scholarship for the nation's top community college students seeking to complete their bachelor's degrees at 4 years colleges or universities. Each Cook Scholar has access to generous financial support for 2 to 3 years, college planning support, ongoing advising, and the opportunity to connect with the thriving community of fellow scholars. Again, the application requires a minimum cumulative 3.5 GPA and demonstration of financial need. Historically, Madison College students have won a Cook undergraduate transfer scholarship, so the possibility is well worth the work. PTK Connect is a free online search tool for transfer scholarships, colleges, and career pathways. Colleges and companies are looking for top transfer and career-bound students. With PTK Connect, you get exclusive access to detailed transfer and career data that will help guide your decisions. Use PTK Connect to research and compare scholarships to find the perfect scholarship just for you. Find a college willing to invest in you and increase the affordability of your transfer journey. Or, if you're entering the workforce, PTK Connect helps you plan for your career in reverse. Investigate which academic majors align with your career interests while exploring salary averages and job availability in your chosen field. Finally, PTK Connect can help you explore colleges for transfer. Organize your transfer search by choosing your favorite colleges. Evaluate transfer friendliness ratings, compare college profiles, and discover scholarship opportunities to inform your decisions. Find PTK Connect on the ptk.org website. We also have a link in the video description below. Madison College also maintains a list of resources to help you connect to external scholarship databases. As various foundations or donors contact the college with scholarship opportunities, we will include the details on this webpage. The lists change often, so we would say check back. There is a link in the video description below. You can also use the websites linked on this page to find additional scholarships. These sites are not maintained by or in any way affiliated with Madison College or the Madison College Foundation office. Please note that Madison College does not guarantee the accuracy, relevance, timeliness, or completeness of any information of these external websites. As you pursue your scholarship discovery journey, there are some things to look out for. Don't pay for lists of scholarships. These may be general lists you can find by a little web searching or, worse, scams to get your money. Only apply on reputable sites. Look for a padlock icon in the URL. Explore the site before you start entering your personal information. Don't pay to apply. The whole concept of scholarships is that you get the money. Be critical of what you win. It may seem counterintuitive, but make sure you apply for the scholarship you want before you give out any personal info. There are plenty of legitimate external scholarship fish in the sea, but watch out for the sharks. We suggest you watch the next video in this series to explore tips and techniques to make your scholarship entries shine enough to win. We hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the video description below for more information and helpful links. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Wolfpack Wisdom.